Are you struggling financially? If you are, the 401k seems to be the new place that a lot of people are looking for funds. But I want to really caution you when we get through this video. Worrying about the new 401k trend is really setting off alarms when we look at the US economy now. A lot of people are using their 401k plans almost not as a retirement plan, but more of a savings plan slash emergency fund. And that's exactly what we're seeing. So, a record amount of Americans have been tapping into the 401k plan to cover emergencies. Another warning sign that the economy is really struggling and a recession might be looming right around the corner. Nearly 5% in 2024 tapped into those 401k plans, resulting in early withdrawals for expenses like medical bills, avoid foreclosure of their home, making car payments, also looking at school, which some of these are tax exempt, which you can borrow from if you're a first time home buyer. Some of these people are paying the penalty for. When we backtrack and really look at 2023, roughly 3.6% were advancing from that 401k. Even looking a little bit further back, we were at about 2%. So over the last 3 years, we have seen it almost triple from where we're seeing those 401k withdrawals. Now, before the pandemic, it was under 2% in its entirety, and a lot of people withdrew funds after the 59 and a half. Now, that is the age where you no longer get the additional 10% penalty. That is something to remember, that when you're and if you're withdrawing from a plan, just like an IRA plan, if you're withdrawing under 59 and a half, not only do you pay state and federal taxes if it is applicable where you're at, but you will also pay a 10% additional penalty if there is not a reason for a qualified distribution. Now, this really sharp increase shows that a lot of households have a really big financial strain. Worry sign for the economy, worry sign for the tariffs and everything else that could be coming down the pipeline, including possibly that recession.